Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your post on Instagram threads. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. Before moving towards the actual tutorial, please make sure that you're already subscribed to the Solution Lab. If not, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. First of all, open up the Threads mobile application. Once you open it up, the homepage of Threads should appear. As you can see, the homepage of Threads is appearing. At the bottom right, click on your profile. After doing that, I can see all of my threads here. This is my thread that I just posted. Now if I want to edit this thread, click on those three dots, and as you can see, there is no option of editing this specific thread. What you can do is simply delete it and repost it with the corrected version. That is the only way. Or if I go for adding a thread of, for example, if I go back, let's just go back to the home, click on that plus. If I add a specific picture from my gallery, let's just add a picture. Let's just go for this picture right here. Click on allow and click on this, click on done, click on post. It is posting. If I go to my profile, you can see it is still posting. Let it post, and once it is posted, click on those three dots, and you can see in this I have only 5 minutes that I can edit this thread. Once you post a thread, you will have 5 minutes that you can easily edit that specific thread, but once that 5 minutes are gone, there is no option of editing that specific thread. What you can do is delete that specific previous thread and upload a new thread. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care, see you next time.